Let's do it. Come on, Dewey. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, Dewey. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Dewey. Lupin. Uh-oh. Here comes nothing. What this? What, Doopy? Dewey. Dupin. Oh, that's funny. Well, and why wouldn't you? Right? He's dangling. He's hanging by his teeth now.